Hello, hey guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Rodriguez Mamasigli Channel, a faith healer o the Matarder. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is Archangel Michael messages for the sign of Gemini. So Gemini, welcome to my channel. Ano kayong messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kagalapan sa buhay ng mga Gemini ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos upload ko. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik, legleg, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Gemini. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Gemini ang ating mga gilap? So guys, tutuklasin at bubulabugin natin. Angel spirit, please give me information for Archangel Michael messages for the sign of Gemini. Angel spirit, please give me information for Archangel Michael. Okay, so this is something guys with an honor and trust your feeling. So lagi ka makikinig sa nararamdaman mo, magtitiwala sa nararamdaman mo. Dahil hindi ka ililigaw nito. No, hindi ka ipapahamak dito. And there is something you have confidence. So kailangan mo lang labanan, tapangan, no, lakasan ng loob. Hindi ka pwedeng makaramdam ng kaduwagan, no? Or takot at pangamba. And there's a sense of humor. No, dapat lagi mong titingnan yung both side of situation or lighter side of situation. No, titingnan mo yan ng mga magandang ibubunga, ano yung magiging magagandang idudulot nito sa buhay mo, sa sitwasyon mo, and write about your thought and feelings. So, kumbaga, tama ang magiging pakiramdam mo at intuition na pumapasok sa isip mo. And there's a make a commitment. No, kailangan pagdating sa mga bagay-bagay, mag-commit ka. Nang sa ganun, magkaroon ng consistency. No? Magtuloy-tuloy yung mga kaganapan sa buhay mo. The more kasi hindi ka committed dyan, hindi mo magagawa ng perfect yan. So let's see, what is additional messages? And take your time to make a decision. Kailangan mo din ng oras para makapag-desisyon. So ibig sabihin, maraming mga bagay na gumugulo sa utak mo, sa isip mo. Pero kailangan mo makinig sa sigaw at bugso ng damdamin mo. So let's see what is additional messages. Paano natin elaborate sa inyo ang sinasabi ng ating mga baraha. Angel Spirit Guide, please give information po. Okay, so this is something the page of cards by intuition. Talaga may intuition talaga. No? Kumbaga binibigyan ka ng something, kakayanan at kaalaman para malaman mo ang kahalagahan ng totoong nararamdaman. What is additional messages? And there's a two of wands by choices. Pili mo yung mga bagay na makakatulong lang sa'yo. Yung mga bagay na alam mo may magsiserve sa'yo na magandang eksena, no? Kumbaga titingnan mo yung kumbaga lighter of situation. No, hindi ka pwedeng one-sided, kaya titingnan mo both sides. And there's something, the moon card for a truth reveal. No, ibabahagi lahat ng katotohanan, mga bagay na dapat mo malaman, mga bagay na dapat mo maunawaan, at yung mga bagay na magtutupad sa mga pangarap mo. What is additional messages? And there's an Ace of Wands. This is something guys with a new project, new plans, new beginning. And of course, there's something, a new creative expression na magbibigay ng ideas. No? And of course, let's see. And of course, there's something, the Knight of Swords. Alam mo guys, mahina ka talaga dito sa isip. No? Natatalo ka ng gut feeling mo. No? Yung inner voice mo, kailangan mo i-activate yan. Kailangan mo makinig sa gabay mo. Alam mo, may gabay ka dito. Nakikita ko na sa sense ko talaga, pero nag-aalinlangan ka, hindi ka nagtitiwala, kailangan mo surrender yan. No, yung bigat, pasakit, pasanin yung nararamdaman mo at iniisip mo. And there's a judgment. See, this is a wake-up call. No, binibigyan ka ng alala at babala na kailangan mo kaming pakinggan, gano'n, ganyan. Sinasabi ng gabay mo. No? Huwag ka matigas ang ulo. What is the page of cups represent what? There's the King of Swords. No? Bigyang liwanag ang utak at isip mo. Binibigyan ka ng mga synchronicities pero hindi ka nagpe-pay attention. Naputuli mo yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi nakakatulong sa'yo, yung mga bagay na nagpapagulo sa utak at isip mo. There is a Two of Wands represented with a Queen of Wands by confident. Lakasan mo ang loob mo. No, dapat alam mo sa sarili mo yung magiging outcome ng mga desisyon or gagawin mo actions. Now, there's the Moon card represented with the High Priestess. So, something truth reveal and hidden agenda. Ibig sabihin dito, malalaman mo na lahat ng mga bagay na nakatago. No, nagkakaroon naman ng unexpected moment, no, sa mga bagay expectation na gusto mo mangyari, but eventually hindi siya nangyayari dahil may maganda pang kahihinatnan to. No, some of you guys nakakakita ng mga panaginip mo na aring nangyayari, no, astral travel, predictions, visions, no, inner voice, ano man yung bagay na yung binibigyan ka ng pahiwatig at paalala. What is the Ace of Wands? The Ace of Wands represents the Six of Cups. Something, a reminiscence. No, this is something guys maaaring itong bagay na to ay maaaring binigay sa'yo at pinagkaloob sa'yo ng iyong mga ninuno. No? Hindi itong, this is something a roots. No, this is something a roots. Ibig sabihin dito a past person kami. Baka, ibig sabihin dito guys with the Six of Cups. No? Baka malito kayo. Bakit Six of Cups? Sinasabi mo lagi dyan, past person kami. But this is something not the right time, no? Hindi sa ngayon. Dahil there's an Ace of Wands, no? Kumbaga tinugma to with a card for Ace of Wands na nire-represent something, a root na pinanggagalingan ng mga panibagong ideas. Ibig sabihin dito, may kakayanan ka na maaaring ma-enhance mo, no? Or may pinanggagalingan na kakayanan mo na maaaring, this is something modern, no, situation, na maaaring iba na yung kakayanan to hindi tulad ng nakaraan, hindi tulad ng mga kinagistan mong mga kamag-anakan na may kakayanan ganito, ganyan, iba yung kakayanan na ibinigay sa'yo. What is the Knight of Swords? Represent what? There's a Six of Cups, Six of Pentacles. Now, there's a give and receiving something by the universe. Kailangan mo maging balance. Now, maging balance ka, physical, mental, emotional. And this is something the Queen of Pentacles just being a practical, and there's a good sense pagdating sa entrepreneur. Know how to manage and control your finances. So, kailangan mong maging mature enough. No? Alam nyo guys, sa sense ko dito merong kakakayanan. No? Hindi mo siya ginagamit. Ayaw mong makita. Alam mo, nakakakita na mamamatay na. No? Nasa sense ko dito. No? Nakakakita ng mga bagay na mangyayari sa hinaharap. Natatakot ka. No? Pero magagamit mo yan, no, in the right time. No? Sa tamang panahon. No, gamitin mo ng tama at wasto yan. Hindi para makasama ka sa ibang tao, para makabuti at kumbaga mabigyan mo ng something babala, paalala, ganon. No? Pero maging aware ka din ha. There's a Page of Cups, the King of Swords. Represent with the Ace of Pentacles, there's a big shot and big money coming in for you. Some of you guys na may malaking perang papasok dito sa iyo, may malaking opportunities na magdadala sa iyo ng financial windfall or a source of income. Let's see what is the Two of Wands or the Queen of Wands. Represent with the Four Pentacles for saving money, protection at pangalagaan mo yung sarili mo. No, even your priorities, your plan. So let's see what is the Moon card, the High Priestess. Represent with the Seven of Wands that you are being protected. Protektado ka dito, no? Mari may gumagabay sa at may protect sa dito ancestor guides. Now, I think this is your lolo or lola na gumagabay. What is additional messages? And there's a Queen of Swords to clear the boundaries. No, linisin mo yung mga bagay na makakasama sa iyo. No, linisin mo yung mga bagay na dulot ng, kumbaga, makakapanakit ng utak mo at ulo mo, yung isip mo. No, makakapagpagulo. Alisin mo daw yan. No, there are distraction. No, alisin mo yung magpapadistract sa iyo. And there's a Two of Pentacles with a balance. So, kailangan mo maging balance, emotional, physical, and mental. What is additional messages? And there's a Justice card. Don't you worry, karma is coming, no? Ano man yung mga bagay na nangyayari ngayon, huwag ka mag-alala, no? May principle of karma na maaring na sinasabi dito. Now, there's a partnership. Magdadala sa ito ng higher level commitment, no? So, let's see what is the Ace of Pentacles. And it goes the Page of Cups, the King of Swords, no? For the outcome. Represent with the Knight of Wands for slowdown. O, unti-unti, hinay-hinay. No, unti-unti mo na ito malalasap, ang tunay na sarap. And because this is something, the Three of Swords, no? Just be aware na may mga disappointment ka dito. Na isa to sa nagiging balakid kaya ka nawawala ng gana. Na parang tinatamad ka ganyan. May ganong scenario. So, So, let's see. And there's an Emperor. Maging mature ka and being grounded sa decision or actions mo. Na lahat ng mga bagay na to, maaaring pinatatatag ka na lahat ng karanasan mo. Maging mature ka lang dyan. Marunong ka tumanggap ng kabiguan at kamalian. And there's an Ace of Cups. There's something, a new love coming in for you. May bagong pag-ibig talaga na darating. No? And there's the World card that represents something, travel, success, accomplishment, na maaaring magiging matagumpay ka. Nababaguhin talaga mundo at kapalaran mo dito. Represent with the Four of Cups. Just to re-evaluate or analyze. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina pa, na kailangan pag-iisipan yung bawat action and decision. No? Take your time to make a decision with this. No? Archangel Michael. So let's see, additional messages tayo pagdating naman tayo sa finances and career. Finances and career represent what? Represent with all the lovers. Oh, may kinalaman din sa career mo ang love life. Konektado daw, powerful. And there's a sour moment for major changes. No, naapektuhan daw ang love life mo with this career. Now, there's a tool, so there's a decision that you need to make. So, kailangan mo rin mag-decision dito. At the same time, guys, there's the full card for leap of faith. No, dapat malakas at matibay ang pananampalataya at tiwala mo. No? Sa sarili mo about this business, mag-ingat ka lang with the stickiness, with the seven of sword. No, meron taong lilin-langin ka, lolokohin ka. Pagdating sa pagkakaperahan. And there's a wheel of fortune with a good luck and destiny is yours. Magiging maganda na ang ikot ng kapalaran pagdating sa pagkakaperahan. No? So, let's see what is additional messages pagdating sa love life. Pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig, there's a three of wands. There's a waiting for us or waiting for a ship. Naghihintay ka dumating or darating na siya. No? Some of you may travel. Or maaaring pupunta ka dun sa person mo. And there's a five of cups na by disappointment. Now, some of you guys, mayroon dito madi-disappoint. Ginhosting ka. Some of you dito parang hindi sinipot o hindi sisiputin. What is additional messages? And there's a seven of cups by confusion. No? Maaaring naguguluhan ka. No? Maaaring may marami pang opportunities na darating pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig. Marami ka pang makikilala. And there's a high five for a lesson learned. Na para matuto ka na raw dito. Na huwag ka na basta-basta nagtitiwala. Na love scam ka dito, madam. There's a three of pentacles, no? Kailangan mo muna makilala mabuti. Alam nyo guys, sa sense ko dito, naloko ka. Nagpadala ka ng pera dito. No? Tapos mag-meet na kayo pero hindi ka dyan sisiputin. What is the wheel of fortune? There's a Queen of Cups emotional healing. Na magiging kalmado na pakiramdam mo dito, matatanggap mo na. Magiging mature ka na pagdating sa emosyon. Additional messages about sa kalusugan mo. And there's a need of something moving forward. Makaka-move on ka na rin. No? Magiging maganda na ang iyong kalusugan. And there's a strength card with a confidence. Kailangan mo nalakasan ang loob mo. Maging matapang ka. And there's a hermit card, no? Ano man yung mga bagay na pagdaanan mo, ay isang hakbangin lang yan patungo sa magandang kinabukasan para sa'yo. Magiging maganda ang kalusugan mo. Napangan mo lang dito. Nagkaroon kasi ng stress and depression. No, kailangan mo tanggapin yan. There's an Empress card for revert. Magkakaroon ka ng second life dito, second chances. No, mahalin mo ang sarili mo. Ganun talaga ang buhay, no? May mga tuso talaga. And there's an eight of wands with a fast communication and fast movement. Now, some of you guys, magkakaroon na ng changes about sa kalusugan mo. Gaganda na ang takbo nito. Some of you, magbubuntis pa nga. No? And there's something, the Four of Swords, so kailangan mo rin ng pahinga. No? Maraming tumatakbo sa utak mo at isip mo. Kailangan mo ipahinga din yan. So, let's see what is additional messages. Pagdating naman tayo, guys, with magical fairy messages for a lot of advices. So, let's see. What is additional messages with an angel spirit for magical fairy messages? So, let's see and watch this. Okay. Magical fairy messages represent what? For magical fairy messages represent what? Dietary change. So, kailangan mo mag-diet dito, guys, no? Improve your diet and your life will also improve. And there's a sun. Maring may anak ka lalaki dito. No? May anak ka lalaki dito. Maring ito ang pinaka-purpose mo sa buhay. Ito siya yung tao rin na tutulong sa'yo. No? And because there's something practice, enhance your ability and polish your skills. No? Palakasin, palawigin ang kaalaman at kakayanan mo dito. Let's see what is additional messages with the synchronicities. For synchronicities represent what? There's a storm. No, may mga unos talagang darating sa buhay mo. Mag-ingat ka na lahat ng mga bagay na gagawin mo magre-reflect sa'yo. Reflections. And there's a planting, no? Ibig sabihin dito, magtanim ka. Or ibig sabihin dito, magtipid ka, mag-ipon ka. Dahil lahat ng mga bagay na harvestin mo yan at the end of the time. What is additional messages for Yin and Yang Oracle card? And there's a comfort zone. Kailangan mo na kumawala sa comfort zone mo, sa mga bagay na kinakatakutan mo, pinangangambahan mo. No, isa to, kaya siguro napanghihinaan ka ng loob, no? Dahil dyan sa comfort zone na yun. And there's a have faith in your dreams. There's a family home commitment, sorry. No, ibig sabihin dito, related about sa family mo. No, ibig sabihin magkakaroon ka ng bahay or maaaring it's all about your family. No, there's a north node, no? There's something your life purpose. No, pagdating naman dito guys, no, pagdating sa finances, pagdating dito sa eksena mo, makikita mo na lahat ng kahulugan sa buhay mo. No, yung kahalagahan, gato ganyan, pagdating sa pamilya, relasyon, and there's a facade, mag-iingat ka na sa mga nagbabalat kayo. Sa mga tao nagpapanggap. So let's see what is the Romance Age for Mystic Love Oracle deck. And there's a attractions. Magnetic attractions. Now, some of you guys, no, may passion talaga kayo sa isa't isa. Talagang, there's something, iba yung attacking nyo ng person na to There's a family. Security. Magiging secure ka na rin pagdating sa family. So, let's see what is the angel's number represent what. What is the angel's number? 999 for a lesson learned. So, kailangan mo matuto. No? Kailangan mong malaman ang kahalagahan ng mga karanasan na pinagdaanan mo na para hindi na maulit yun. No? Take stock of your accomplishment and how you arrive at them. This is a reminder that to maintain optimism and drive towards your goal, maintain momentum and know that the power of heaven have your back. You made it, the rewards goes to you. So, see? Kaya mo. Basta matuto ka na sa mga bagay o leksyon na nangyari sa iyo para hindi muling maulit. What is the money matter represent what? And there's an authority, no? Kumbaga, kayang-kaya mo maging leader. Basta lakasan mo lang loob mo. No, kayang-kaya mo yung baguhin yung eksena mo. No, some of you baka role model ka pa or either provider ka, no, or breadwinner ka. Some of you guys, so there's a duality. No, ibig sabihin dito, don't forget about the dual nature of people. Don't lose your vigilance. So, kailangan mo maging mabuting tao, no, sa likod ng mga karanasan at pinagdaanan mo. Now, this is something guys with a clarify for love situation. Clarifying for love situation represent what? And this is something guys, resilient roots. Enjoy the storm. Protect your core, grow stronger with each challenges. No, pinatitibay at pinalalakas ka dito dahil din sa mga naranasan mo at mga pinagdaan mo pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig. No, parang hinubog ka. No, ngayon pa ba magpapauto ka? Diba? Kumbaga nadala ka na, madala ka na talaga. What is the path of the light represent what? Ibig sabihin nito dahil sa eksena na to, magkaroon ka na ng seguridad pagdating sa pamilya mo. Diba? What is the path of the light represent what? Kind-hearted, no? I navigate life difficulties with a positive mindset by consciously showing kindness. I spread warmth and understanding to those around me, creating a ripple of compassion. So, talagang napakabuti mo. Isa yan sa mga bagay kaya inaabuso niya. No, inaabusin nila ang kabaitan mo. Talagang pure yung intention mo, pure yung love mo. Let's see what lies beneath with the hidden future. What lies beneath with the hidden future? There's a copycat, so may kumukopya sa'yo dito. Ibig sabihin may naiinggit din sa'yo dito. Na at the same time, there's something recording. Na some of you guys, may mga bagay na malalaman ka dito na mayroon pala kumukopya o gumagaya sa'yo. No? So, let's see what is the shadow works represent what. So, guys, mag-isip na kayo ng questions nyo, ha, kung anong gusto nyo itanong. No, mag-isip kayo, then of course, nandun sa magiging kasagutan yung number na ipipick. No, this is something pick a card, yes or no questions, okay? Mag-isip kayo ng questions, and of course, pipili kayo ng isa with a 1, 2, or 3, okay? So, shadow works represent what? After nito, magpo-proceed tayo for a pick a card. Mag-ready na kayo na question nyo. Defensive. So, see? Reflection, acceptance, and growth. Unseen, resistant to resolve, unresolved issues. Exploring with curiosity. No, kailangan depensahan mo, no, yung sarili mo, no, yung kaalaman at kakayanan mo, at the same time yung sarili mo kapakanan. No, kung ano man yung mga bagay na meron ka, kasi magla-reflect sa iyan. Kung hindi mo pag-iingatan, masisira ka. So, let's proceed tayo for the yes or no pick a card. Pumili na kayo guys ng questions nyo, and of course, nandito yung pinakakasagutan with a 1, 2, 3. Unang babagsak ay number 1. Pangalawang babagsak is number 2. Pangatlong mag-pick is number 3. Ano? Okay. Pick a card with a yes or no represent what? Start mo na tayo with the number 1. And there's something, yes. Spiraling up, rising tide, coming out of the shell. So, kailangan mo kumuwala sa comfort zone mo. No, kailangan mo kumuwala sa mga bagay na kinakatakutan mo. Kailangan labanan mo, kailangan maging matapang, no? Alisin yung takot mo. And there's something, yes, with the number 2. Reap the rewards, abundance, flow. So, dadaloy na. No, tama at oo. Magiging maganda na kapalaran mo. No, makukuha mo na lahat ng mga bagay na pinagpagulat, pinaghirapan mo. Magiging matamis to at magiging maganda. And this is something, yes, you have the answer opening door success. No, darating na. No, yung matagal mo nang hinahangad. No, ang kasagutan sa lahat ng katanungan mo. Nandito na raw. There's a yes. So guys, this is Archangel Michael messages for the sign of Gemini. So Gemini, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And i-click ko bell for more videos update ko. Maraming salamat po. Sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads, away pagpalahain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. At maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye. And babush.